Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Bearded Fortech. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Please consider hitting subscribe. I have behind me a 2024 Ford Ranger Sport 4x4, and we are going to, I'm not working on this one, another technician is, but we're going to show you what we found and what the customer complaint was. 24 Ranger Sport 4x4. Lightning blue is the color, XLT. And see, 2024 Ranger XLT 4x4-wheel drive Super Crew. Customer states or reports the ABS light is on, and the other technician working on it pulled the codes. It was for a sensor. However, the customer stated that he replaced this left front sensor with a motorcraft sensor and the light did not go off. Upon further investigation, we found out that he had a level kit installed. And to do these level kits, it's just a level kit, not a lift kit, it's a level kit. You put a leveling puck right up inside here. And to do that, you got to take the strut out. Well, to take the strut out, loosen the control arm from, here. And then on this one, you can just take that nut from the sway bar link, and then this whole thing would fall backwards like this. Undo the bolts, undo the two nuts, pop the strut out, put your stuff in there. Now, what the other technician found, he wanted me to look at it again, and if you look right there, see that gouge? See that gouge right there? And if you look, there's witness marks here, obviously, so you can pull it back. Witness marks here, witness marks here, witness marks here, and obviously they got to take those off. That, they took the whole knuckle off. Don't know how. I don't know who did the lift kit. I don't know. That right there, if you look at the old bearing or hub assembly, so we're going to be backwards here. 2, 2, 1, 1. See how far apart they are and how close these two are? How close these two are. So this would be the bottom. Okay, look right there. And if you look at it, it completely tore the ring off, which is supposed to be the magnetic ring for the ABS sensor. No, let's go take a look at the other side. Here's the passenger side. Witness marks, witness marks, witness marks, witness marks. It's fine. You can see where the ABS sensor sticks in through here. Can't get my finger in there, but that's where the ABS sensor sticks in and reads the back of that ring. This side's fine. I don't know how, who, or what they did to gouge this up like that. See if I can zoom in on it. Yeah, pretty gouged up inside there. Like I said, I don't know who did it, how they did it, what they used to do it, but this is going to need a whole new knuckle with a new bearing. There's a new bearing, but it's going to need a whole new knuckle, because if you shove that bearing in there, it's going to do the exact same thing. So this just goes to show, all I'm saying is here, it doesn't matter if you're doing it or if you take it somewhere else, take your time. Torque everything like you're supposed to. Don't just shove something in there. Make sure it fits like it's supposed to before you do it. This could have been easily avoided, but things happen, I understand. But all this does not have to come off to do the level puck. But I just wanted you guys to see that. If you guys have any ideas of maybe how they gouge that up, please let me know down in the comments. I'd like to know myself. But as always, I appreciate it. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one.